Hey everyone. In just 60 seconds, let me take you through the GPT Finder, our dynamic Chrome extension. It's designed to make exploring OpenAI's GPTs super easy and effective. What's special? Our intuitive search engine with a cool preview feature. You can check out what each GPT offers before choosing, ensuring you always pick the right one. Plus, everything's interactive. Whether you're a keyboard warrior or a mouse master, we've got you covered. And if you're looking for something more, our Enhanced by Google search kicks in. It expands your search beyond our database, tapping into Google's vast resources. With GPT Finder, discovering the perfect GPT model is quick, easy, and informative. So, that's a quick look at our GPT Finder Chrome extension. If you find it helpful, don't forget to share the love on social media. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep improving. Thanks for joining.